Today I have a different video. I want to show you a set of Lapis Lazuli vintage jewelry that I have from my heritage, my hometown Iran, Gorgan, and I want to mix it with my camel winter wool dress because you know we are living in Norway and making a set with winter clothes is challenging. So here we have this beautiful Lapis Lazuli necklace. You see, all handmade. This is vintage from Turkmenistan and Afghanistan. Some of these type of jewelry, especially lapis, I'm going to add to my winter look because as you know, in winter time we are mainly having layers of wool and having minimal type of jewelry. It's not going to work, so we need to think a little bit different, colorful and statement. I have chosen this one with this camel color. It's going to look amazing. Okay, now we have this beautiful earring. Look at this beautiful Lapis Lazuli earrings. I'm going to add. There we go. Now I want to add these 3 rings. This one I got in Mexico when I've been in Mexico City. 3 Lapis Lazuli. This is very cool. I'm going to have it on my finger. And then I have chosen this spiral shape silver ring that actually may be better to be in this hand. Okay, I'm going to stackable these rings, and this one is vintage. I like the style. This is the drop shape and it looks like a crown. It's a little bit big for me. So this is the final look with the Lapis Lazuli and the camel winter dress. What do you think about this beautiful vintage set? If you like it, comment below a love heart emoji for me. And see you next time. Don't forget to check out my other video that I created based on turquoise vintage style and rings.